In this video, I'll show you two methods to repair corrupted MOV files using VLC Media Player's built-in repair feature and SFware video repair software. First, make a copy of the corrupted MOV file. This will help you avoid overwriting the original file if something goes wrong. Open VLC Media Player. Go to Tools, Preferences. Select the Input or Codecs tab. Click on the drop-down next to Damage or Incomplete AVI file. Select Always Fix and click on Save. If VLC doesn't work, try converting the corrupt MOV file to a different format. Click on Media, Convert/Save. Click on the Add button to upload the corrupted MOV file. Click on Convert/Save. From the Save As Type drop-down menu, select a different video format. Click on the Start button to start the conversion. If VLC couldn't repair your MOV file, or if the file is severely corrupted, SFware Video Repair is a more powerful option. Download and install SFware Video Repair on your computer. Launch the software and click on Add File to select the broken MOV file you want to repair. Click on Repair to start the repair process. Preview the recovered video and click on Save to restore it on your device. By following these steps, you should be able to repair your corrupted MOV files and get them playing again. For detailed guides, check out this helpful article link in the description.